Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into one of the wildest creations ever imagined by Dodge, the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup truck. Yes, you heard that right. The Demon is back, but this time it's not just a muscle car, it's a muscle truck. Dodge has blended raw American power with the practicality of a pickup, and the result is absolutely mind-blowing. So buckle up, because this review will take you through every detail, from its monstrous exterior and fierce performance to its high-tech interior and, of course, the price tag that comes with all that muscle. At first glance, the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup looks like it was built to dominate every road it touches. The front end screams aggression, with the signature Demon grille reimagined for a truck body. The hood scoop is massive, functional, and unapologetically bold, feeding fresh air straight into that supercharged beast underneath. The LED headlights are slimmer and meaner, giving the truck a sinister stare that perfectly fits its Demon name. Every contour and line of the bodywork has been designed for both aerodynamics and intimidation. Wide fenders, muscular haunches, and massive 22-inch Demon-branded wheels make it look ready to tear through both asphalt and dirt without mercy. The rear end carries the same bold DNA, with a sculpted tailgate featuring the Demon badge, quad exhaust tips, and an LED taillight strip that stretches across the back like a glowing red warning sign for anyone trying to challenge it. The bed of the truck isn't just for show either. Dodge has engineered it with a mix of carbon fiber and high-strength steel to keep it lightweight yet durable. You can actually use it like a real pickup, whether for hauling or just flexing your ride at a car meet. And with the optional Demon Carbon Aero Kit, including a rear diffuser and side splitters, this pickup looks like it could take on a racetrack just as easily as a highway. Now let's talk about what really makes the 2026 Demon pickup a monster: the performance. Under the hood, Dodge has placed a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 engine, pushing out a jaw-dropping 880 horsepower and 810 pound-feet of torque. That's right, this pickup truck produces more power than most supercars. The Demon's all-new 8-speed automatic transmission has been tuned for lightning-fast shifts and maximum torque delivery, sending power to all four wheels with an advanced AWD system that offers launch control, drift mode, and an optional rear-drive bias for pure fun. When you hit the gas, the Demon pickup launches from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.1 seconds, a mind-bending number for a truck this size. Quarter-mile times, Dodge claims it runs it in just 10.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest pickups ever built. The sound from the exhaust is thunderous, deep, and unmistakably Dodge, pure muscle symphony. The suspension setup has been completely re-engineered, featuring adaptive dampers that can switch from street comfort to track stiffness in milliseconds. Brembo brakes, performance tires, and active aerodynamics help keep the truck planted and in control even when pushing its insane limits. The interior of the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup is just as wild as its exterior, but with a surprising amount of luxury mixed in. Dodge didn't just slap Demon badges inside and call it a day. They gave it a full redesign that blends race-inspired aesthetics with modern comfort. The driver's cockpit feels like a fighter jet, with a flat-bottom steering wheel, paddle shifters, and customizable digital gauge clusters showing boost pressure, G-forces, and launch data. The massive 14-inch touchscreen sits at the center, running the latest Uconnect 6 system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even AI-assisted driving modes. The seats are Demon-exclusive sport buckets wrapped in premium Alcantara and leather, with contrast stitching and illuminated Demon logos. You can choose between red, black, or carbon fiber-inspired interior themes. Even the pedals and door trims are made of brushed aluminum to remind you that this isn't just a truck, it's a performance machine. For those who still crave some comfort, you've got heated and ventilated seats, a premium 18-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, ambient interior lighting, and a panoramic sunroof to balance out the aggressive vibe with a touch of luxury. Technology doesn't stop there. The 2026 Demon pickup features an advanced performance telemetry system that lets you record lap times, acceleration data, and even video footage of your drives directly from the truck's cameras. It's like having your own personal race engineer riding shotgun. Dodge also includes the Demon Drive Plus package, which adds adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a semi-autonomous highway mode. Perfect for those long road trips when you're not roasting tires. When it comes to pricing, Dodge has set the bar high, but justifiably so. The base 2026 Dodge Demon pickup starts around $98,000, while the fully loaded Demon Red Eye Edition pushes close to $13,000. Considering what you get, nearly 900 horsepower, luxury features, and the boldest truck design on the planet, that price tag doesn't seem too crazy for something that breaks the limits of what a pickup can be. The 2026 Dodge Demon pickup truck isn't just another addition to the muscle truck world, it's a statement. It's Dodge proving once again that performance isn't limited by body style. Whether you want to hit the drag strip, dominate the streets, or just turn every head in the parking lot, this truck is built for those who want it all: power, presence, and pure adrenaline. So there you have it, the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup truck. It's fast, ferocious, and unlike anything else on the road. Dodge has taken its demonic heritage and injected it into a new form that's going to shake up the performance truck scene for years to come. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more insane car reviews, and drop a comment below telling us what you think of this outrageous beast. Would you take this demon to the streets or the track? Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your hearts racing. This is the future of American muscle reimagined as a pickup.